Hey everybody, CindyALewis here, and it's time for the Friday giveaway. Yes, it is time to announce the winner for this set of stamps on my channel. You entered last week, and look how pretty these sentiments are. So we're going to be announcing that winner right now. This is the URL from last week's video. You had to enter the words Friday giveaway, and let's get the entries. See if I can do it. And there are, wow. Hey everybody, CindyALewis here again. You saw me intro it already, so we're trying it again. It seemed to like get stuck or something, so let's see how many entries there were. 87. All right, it popped up, but then it went somewhere else. I don't know. Let's get the winner. And the winner is Teresa Owens. Hey, Teresa, is your address still the same? I need to look for it. I don't know if you've won in a while. If not, I'll check, and you can let me know if it's not the same. But congratulations, Teresa. You won this fun stamp set. All right. Now, for next Friday, you will enter in this video. And it is the 13th, next Friday. And these are adorable little love clusters of words. They don't all have love in them, but they are all fun. And I think you would enjoy having them in your stash. So just enter the words Friday giveaway. Be a subscriber to my channel. You can enter every day, and all the details are below in the description. Have a great weekend.